Hello everyone, thank you for tuning in. We have a quick, simple data structure and algorithms problem that we are going to do today. It is going to be in JavaScript, so it's going to be a sum of two numbers. We are going to write a function that takes in two numbers and returns their sum. So that is our mission today. So when we put in numbers inside our solution function, it should return our sum. If we take 5 and 9, we should get 14, and if we do 4 and 1, we should get 5. Here we're just going to create our HTML file by using touch index.html in our command terminal. Then we're going to create a JavaScript by using touch index.js. Now both files will show up in our Visual Studio Code. Here we're going to create a HTML5 command to create that shortcut so we can create our HTML file. Then we're going to link it using the script element tag. We are going to put our source to link our index.js inside our HTML, and there you go. So to check, we're going to do a quick console.log hello world. Alright, then we're going to open our file in our web browser using open.index.html, and we should see our page open up. Here you go. And here we're gonna see if our solution is correct inside our console.log. Here it shows up the hello world, which means that we are connected. Whatever we're typing in our Visual Studio Code will show up in our console. Okay. Now we're gonna start on completing this equation. Right here, take in two numbers and return their sum. Here we're gonna first use the const solution, which means we're creating a variable or function named solution. Okay, then we're gonna put a parameter inside our function, which is num1 and num2. Then we're gonna return the solution or the sum, which is num1 plus num2. So that's our equation right there. Now what we're gonna do is put in the numbers. So we're gonna do console.log and then we're gonna input our solution function, and then we're gonna substitute the numbers 5 and 9 in our num1 and num2. So computer will do the substitutes, and it should give us the sum of both numbers. Here we go. We're gonna input the next two numbers, which is 4 and 1, and when we go to our browser, we should, in our console log, we should see the sum of both numbers. And thank you for tuning in. Like and subscribe. Bye bye.